It was a lot of Saturdays going to the office, yeah. A lot of Saturdays going to my grandparents' house, time spent in their basement. Just kind of felt like this is what I'd always do. So after college, my dad suggested that I just give it a try, and here I am, 26 years later.
He was my son, okay, which is very important to me. I wasn't sure he was going to stay forever, and he came and he learned, and then as time went on, I learned more from him than he ever learned from me, and he stayed.
Once I started doing it, I started working with my dad. It's just something that I started to really enjoy and just kept doing it, and have been doing it for 26 years.